Have you ever thought to yourself, I wish I had more time. I'm not getting it all done. Well, I have literally saved 24 hours throughout the month. Do you want to know what I did? I delegated. I talk to my clients all the time about this. Not just delegating things professionally, but also how delegating things personally can also save you drastic amounts of time. So what I did was I actually hired a cleaning service. I have a wonderful lady and her amazing team, Stephanie. Thank you, Stephanie, who come twice a month and clean my house. I know. Some of you guys are probably thinking, oh, Becca, it must be nice. But you guys, do the math. What is your time literally worth? If you figured out, how much you make in an hour or how much your time is worth, multiply that by however many hours you actually clean your home in a month. Well, for me, I figured it out. With one of my leaders, we figured out a few years ago how many hours in a month was I taking to clean my house. And so what I figured, it was 6 hours a week it took me to clean my house. That's scrubbing the toilets, scrubbing the tubs, mopping, vacuuming, dusting, top to bottom, the entire house. 24 hours a month, or if there's 5 weeks in a month, 30 hours a month. That is almost a whole entire week that I was cleaning my house. It was crazy. And if you're a mom or a dad or, single parent, both parents who are cleaning the house all the time and picking up the kids, you understand where I'm coming from, don't you? Now, I'm not saying that I don't pick up the house or I don't clean at all or do any of those things, but talking about the big cleaning stuff, yeah, I was spending 24 to 30 hours a month cleaning my house. So that means I have my Saturdays free. Sundays, I can watch football with my husband and our son Thad. It means that Saturdays we can have fun and go do what we want. We've been able to spend more weekends down where I grew up in Seymour, Indiana. We've been able to do other things because I haven't felt the pressure to feel like I always need to clean up. It has actually taken stress off of me and given me extra free time to spend with my family, not rushing around cleaning the house. And it's kind of nice when people just surprise, hi, I'm coming over for a quick visit, or if my neighbors come over for a visit, I'm not trying to play cleanup, stress up time. You guys know what I'm talking about, don't you? So this is actually mean how this has made an impact professionally too, is that I don't have to do a lot of thinking about where things are. How much time are we spending about trying to find where things are, whether it's the keys or folders or files or whatever it is? When you have a clean house, that makes an impact professionally too. Things are just clicking. Things are easier. So if you want to save some extra time and give some more time back in your life, feel a little less stressed, feel more put together. I love it when I feel put together. I don't know about you guys, but I love when I feel like everything is all nice and tidied up. I love that feeling like you're more in control. Highly recommend just delegating one simple task. Hire a cleaning service. It's going to make the biggest difference, you guys. I promise. Stay tuned. I'm going to be talking about some more ideas on how to delegate and also be a little less stressed. Until then, take care.